What's up everyone? So today we're in a place called Galle, one of the popular destinations here in Sri Lanka. I think the locals pronounce it Galle, something like that. We came here from Marissa by the local bus. It only took around an hour, so not that far away. And yeah, just a beautiful ride down the southern coast. It was pretty much just non-stop beautiful beaches, so everything just looked incredible. And as usual, I'll start the video off with a quick tour of the place we're staying. So this place is called Green Turf Guest House. We booked it on Airbnb and it was around $23. So just like everywhere else, it's quite a nice modern looking room. Carol's getting her Netflix on. And yeah, comes with AC. And then through here we probably got the nicest bathroom that we've seen yet. So also pretty modern looking bathroom. And it actually has 2 showers, so yeah, we got another shower over here. Never had 2 showers before. And got a pretty fancy looking sink as well. And then the best part is through here, check this out. So we basically get a jungle view balcony. Look how cool this looks. That might be one of the coolest trees that I've ever seen before. No idea what tree that is. It's kind of funny too because right here is calm, but if you just walk 2 minutes down the road, it basically becomes all chaotic. You won't see any nature or jungle scenery at all. So yeah, I don't think I've ever been in a place that changes so quickly. Literally just 2-minute walk. So I think we're going to start the day off by going to a beach nearby. It gets cloudier in the afternoon, so yeah, we're going to start off with the beach. And then I think later on we're going to check out Galle here. There's lots of historic stuff, so it should be a good day. So we ended up getting on a local bus. It was 25 per person and it took around 13 minutes. And now we're at this pretty awesome beach. So this is called Unawatuna beach. Looks like a really wide beach, quite a big beach as well. It goes all the way down there. Seems to go all the way around the coast and continue. So it looks pretty awesome. We're just gonna go and find some shade somewhere down there, hopefully. So we decided to get some sunbeds here. It's the only option for shade and it is really hot today. So it's for free as long as you get some food and drinks here. So yeah, I don't know how much the food and drinks are, but that's what we're gonna do anyway. And got a really good view here right on the beachfront. Pretty calm area here. You can see you've got millions of options to lie down here. And behind us here you have the cool little beach bar hut. It looks like a pretty nice place. So here is mainly a European crowd, I think. Lots of Russians, just like Goa in India. And it is almost New Year's, so yeah, it is quite busy. And it's a Sunday, but yeah, not bad at all for a Sunday. You get a lot of locals. They seem to really like the beaches here. Every beach we've gone to has always had a lot of locals, so yeah, that's pretty cool that they use the beaches as well. Going in, cool down. Yeah. What do you think of the beach?
Oh, it's very nice.
Not as nice as Marissa though, right?
No, I think here is busier.
Yeah, busier, more developed. I think the water in Marissa was clearer.
Yeah, I think so.
More turquoise, but still a very nice spot.
Nice.
Yeah. Alright, I'll give you an idea of how the sea looks here. Pretty nice and transparent. So unfortunately my GoPro broke last time that I used it in Marissa. So yeah, I won't be getting any underwater shots for a while. Gonna try and buy the new GoPro 8 whenever I get a chance. Hopefully soon. So this is as good as I can show you today from here. So just to give you an idea of the prices of some beach food, I'm gonna have the fried noodle with vegetable. That's gonna be 800, and Carol's going for the vegetable soup, which is 700. Other than that, you can get Sri Lankan rice curry. See the values there: 1,000 for chicken, fish 900, calamari 1,100, and prawns 1,200. So obviously more expensive than normal restaurants, but we are right on the beach here. So here's the food, the noodles, and Carol's soup. I also got this beer, I'm not sure how much it is, but look at that for the coolest can ever of beer. The Lion Lager, Sri Lankan beer. 4.8%. So we've now come back to the centre of Galle. We've come to one of the main attractions, which is the Galle Fort. So right now we're already in the fort. You don't have to pay anything to come in here. It's kind of a neighbourhood, so there's loads of houses and stuff. And this was constructed in 1588 by the Portuguese, but it was extensively fortified in the 17th century by the Dutch. So it is considered to be a Dutch fort. The majority of the buildings and the colonial architecture is from the Dutch, I believe. So yeah, we're just gonna walk around here. It is quite big. I think it's gonna take a few hours and we'll see what we find. So we came straight to the far side of the fort, to the popular lighthouse. You can see it there in the background. Probably go and check that out. What I didn't know though is that there would be a really nice ocean here. Loads of people swimming. So you can see it looks even nicer than the beach we were just at. All the locals swimming down there. And then here you have what appears to be a mosque. I think it's a mosque. It looks like Arabic writing. And then this is the kind of Dutch architecture that you see throughout the fort. So yeah, it looks really beautiful. Hey Carol, I didn't realize there'd be the beach and the nice water.
Yeah, it's so nice. I thought it would not be so clean, but it seems to be very clean, right?
Oh yeah, that looks super clear down there. Beautiful beach. And then I don't think I've ever seen a lighthouse with coconut trees. So that looks really awesome as well. Anyway, let's head on further down here. Guys, check out how many people are on this other beach. Crazy. Now we have a few historic buildings. Here is a church from 1755. Over here it says there's the library from 1832. And then over there you have another old refurbished church, but not sure how old it is. It's a lot cooler than I was expecting.
Yeah, there's a lot to see inside of the fort.
Yeah, all the buildings pretty much look nice, right?
Yeah.
So there is a sign that is All Saints Church from 1871. Pretty sure it has been refurbished though. Look how new that looks. So it's the next day now. I actually forgot to close out this video yesterday. We were pretty exhausted in the end with all the walking and the heat and the beach, so I completely forgot about the video altogether. Galle, as you could see, is a pretty awesome place. Got the nice beaches and yeah, that colonial fort looked amazing for sure. And this is actually the last video from Sri Lanka. We're gonna be leaving tomorrow. Gonna be heading to Myanmar. That's gonna be the next stop, so looking forward to that. 3 weeks in Myanmar, and we've just had an awesome time here in Sri Lanka. Just pretty much everything that we did, every place we visited was absolutely beautiful. The nature and the beaches, yeah, just incredible. And if we had to choose one place as our favorite, it would be Ella. We thought Ella was the most beautiful with all the mountains and doing the trekking there. So hopefully you enjoyed the series here from Sri Lanka. Stay tuned for the next videos from Myanmar. Drop a like on the video to help support us. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.